have before you is the Medic 62612 Metaverse 1 by 3 1/4 inch by 2 inch woven fingertip bandage. And what's nice about this is I like to be able to use this and keep it inside of my purse instead of just having it at the house or having it at the office. It's nice to just have it with you, so if any accidents happen, you can be able to just take it right outside of your purse. So here it is here, and they're individually wrapped. And they're nice. I'm going to go ahead and take 2 of them out just to be safe. I like to go ahead and take them out and put them inside of my purse so that if anything comes up, such as little one get hurt or I get hurt or just, anyone, I can be able to have it easily available because it's inside of my purse. So I go ahead and put it inside of my purse, and if anything should come up, I have it. So here they are, the flexible fabric fingertip bandages inside of my purse for easy use. Thank you so much for watching.